Hi there, my name is Christian Fredrikson. I'm the CEO of F-Secure Corporation. Thank you for joining this short video, and I will run through our Q2 financial performance as well as guidance for 2013. Now let me start with the Q2 financial performance. It was a disappointing quarter for us overall, at the lower end of our own expectations. Now, if I look at the main financial indicators, our revenue was 38.4 million, which is minus 3% decline year on year. Our EBIT was 11% or 4 million out of revenue. Now, the positive part was the cash flow, which improved clearly. And that also shows, of course, that our operating costs are well in control as we have planned them to be. And it's less in terms of the investments that we are doing. Then if I look at more of the quarter in terms of the actions, the disappointing part was that in certain countries, our PC security sales is sluggish and below what we expected. Also, the exchange currency is unfavorable for us when we look at the whole year. Now, if I look at the positive parts, clearly our new products, Content Cloud, is doing very well. We are gaining over one deal from the operator space per month, and that is going also well for us in terms of the subscriber growth, which is ticking on for us every month at the moment in the launches that have gone live. Now, if I then look at Safe Avenue, which is a converged mobile and fixed security, a new launch, a new product that we have done, that is also gaining momentum, and we got 4 new deals in the Q2 for us, which is very good in the operator space, and we're very pleased with that performance. If I then look at 2013 and our guidance for the whole year, which we are now changing, in terms of revenue, our 2013 revenues will be at the level of 2012, and our EBIT will be over 15% of revenues. Now, if I compare that to what we said earlier that the revenues will be above 5% growth in terms of the revenue, and the EBIT will be above 15% of the revenues. These are the same reasons for the lowering of our guidance in terms of the revenue, are the same reasons we had in the Q2. So once again, disappointingly, we had in certain countries a lower and sluggish PC security sales, and we had an exchange rate change that has affected us unfavorably for the whole year as well. That impacts us in the second half. Now, looking ahead in terms of the major trends that we are riding on, and also the main product launches that we're looking at into 2013. There are 3 trends that we ride on that we also explained in the last time in the video a quarter ago. Mobility, which everybody can see, new mobile devices coming into the market, new needs and attacks in terms of security, and new needs also in terms of personal cloud and moving content to the cloud. Then the pure cloudification, which means that everything that can be will be moved to the cloud. And that's, of course, something that will impact us both in the security in the cloud as well as content in the cloud offering for us. And finally, the consumerization, which means that people are using applications, moving content between their personal life and their business life very fluently in between, which gives us an opportunity to give a service both ways for users. Now, these are the major trends and the products that will be launches with this, which will help us ride and build new products in security and content cloud in the post-PC era, which is, of course, the important launches for us coming in the second half. These are the big new launches that we have worked on. We look very much forward for them and their impact going forward for us as a growing company. Thank you very much for joining, and I look forward to talking to you again in the next quarter very soon. Thank you very much. Bye now.